All right, Mr. Harder, here we go. This is the door right now. Looking at right at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps going down. 6 steps going down. What you might have to do is come and move these out of the way. Look like cut this flush so you can mount it up to here. Right now you got a little lip, look like from the porch. See the little lip where they come over? When I say lip, I'm talking about this piece right here. You know, you got that baseboard back there. Come off. I'll show you a few little measurements here. Yeah, I got a guy gonna come on Thursday, I believe.
Yeah.
And look at it. Yeah, he out of Beaumont. Hold on, Mr. I'm trying to get this tape measure to stick. See a little slot right here. Okay, going beside it here. And I'm right at 25 feet out that we can come with it. 25 feet away from it right now. That's 25 feet away from it, so we got plenty room.